I'm Mike Parrish. I run MP Marine here in Boston. I'm NMEA and ABYC certified technician, and I also was a licensed 100-ton captain for about 10 years. So I have a lot of experience in the marine industry. Yeah, so this is the lookout camera. It's got 3 integrated cameras, night vision, regular view facing forward, and then it's got this aft camera that's got a pretty wide angle on it, and it's also got an integrated navigation light, US Coast Guard approved. And yeah, it was a pretty easy install. It's just one Ethernet connector and then 2 wires for the light, and that was it. And, yeah, it's really cool. I like that there's multiple cameras built into it, and I like that there's a lot of setting adjustment. You can change the sensitivity of the amount of data that you're getting access to, or that's warning you about, you know, other vessel traffic or other, you know, stuff in the water. When I was learning to use radar for the first time, everyone said run the radar in daylight, so that when you're looking at stuff on the radar, you can look out the window and actually reference what the radar is showing you. So the same thing applies to this. That's how I would learn it. I would look at something on the screen here and then look up in real life and see, okay, that's a boat that I'm looking at. Yeah, so this sailboat looks like it's going to get lit up as soon as it kind of crosses into that border. Mm-hmm. Is that right?
Yep, exactly. There it goes.
Cool. So now we want to go around that guy.
Yeah, yeah.
Explaining it as a visual or a camera radar is probably a good way to say it. So I'm excited about new technology, and this is definitely something that I haven't seen yet. So I'm really excited about this one.